Hi, and welcome to another daily recap. So today I'm going to recap October 20th, 2024, Monday, and it's day 124 of the road to 1 million funded. So today I didn't get any trades on both EU as well as GU, but today was a perfect trading day. I'll show you why, and let's jump into whiteboard project. So today there was no red folder news going on, so it was a perfect day, and since it was Monday, the manipulation can start and a little bit of distribution can also happen, or today would be a complete manipulation day. Anything, the only thing that I'm focused on Monday is to focus on the current session bias. But the ideology would shift when I'm trading Wednesdays and Thursdays because at that time the Monday and the Tuesday would have come candles would have been completed and I know what is the manipulation candle and in what direction that the week is going to distribute. So in Wednesday and Thursday and we're also having the weekly power of three concept to my confluence. But Monday, I'm solely dependent on the session direction and the market structure. So let's start off with the EU and with the daily chart. So here you can see in the EU, the swing structure is bullish and the internal is bearish. And price as well, this buy side liquidity. So I actually expected the price to take out this buy side liquidity, but price actually took out this buy side liquidity, which is nothing but the Friday high. And once it took the Barca liquidity, it strongly pushed down. So I'm expecting the price to continue down, maybe to take out this daily sell side liquidity. This could be the manipulation, and the price can start to be bullish throughout this week. So it's all just expectations. But for now, it's very clear that there is some sell side liquidity here, and I just want to target this one. It's as simple as that. Yeah, price swept the lower time frame buy side liquidity above, which I can say is enough for the market to push down to take out the sell side liquidity to heavy bearish momentum. So sells was my idea for from the daily chart. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, now you can see all the tiny minute pullbacks which you cannot see in the daily chart. So this daily target is actually the weak internal low of the 4-hour chart. So let's zoom in and to see what is currently happening in the 4-hour chart. Yes. Price took the buy side liquidity. This is the buy side liquidity. Yeah. Price took the buy side liquidity and chalk bearish. Thus, I can say that the price can continue this bearish trend to take out the weak internal low. And also, there is some low resistance liquidity here. And this is the demand, which the price is still holding to it. But since the price has chalk bearish, I can expect the price, you know, to flip this demand and take out the weak internal low. It's as simple as that. But I must keep in mind that the 4-hour has formed a beautiful POI, which the price can be magnetized towards. Also, today is Monday, thus this could be a manipulation day before the price starts to make the bearish distribution for the rest of the week. I know this is in contrary with what I said in daily, but anything can happen. Price can be consolidated and then push up, and then it can start to be bearish during Wednesdays and Thursdays, or price can come down today, directly take out this sell side liquidity, and then it can, the Tuesday can be the manipulation day, and then the price start to be bullish throughout the week. So both the cases are possible. Just play to the session direction. That's it. And there you go. This is the 1-hour chart, my main medium time frame. Now you can see the minute details. This is the 4-hour demand that was holding the price, and within that 4-hour demand, this is the H1 demand that the price has reacted to, and then made a failed reaction. That's fine. The price still did not take out the demand zone, right? And one more thing is that this is the last level of demand. If this fails, definitely this daily target would be achieved by the price. So shorts are valid today with a clear round liquidity, but I need further confirmation to take shorts. Ideally, I want the price to sweep some buy side liquidity and chalk bearish, or the price to continue the bearish trend to take shorts, targeting the daily target. So what I'm actually meaning is that if the price takes out some buy side liquidity and then chalks bearish, then with a fresh POI I'll be able to target the entire year using the M15 and target the daily target. Otherwise, sometimes what happens is that price won't take the buy side liquidity. It just moves, takes the buy side liquidity in the lower time frame, for example, 5 minutes and 3 minutes, which I cannot identify in the 1 hour chart. So at that time, price makes a bearish push down. So if the price makes that bearish push down, then I'll understand that the bearish momentum has kicked in. Then I'll be happy to take shorts from the freshly formed POI. Probably there can be a pullback during the New York session, and if there is a sufficient pullback, then I'll be able to enter into the trade and then target the daily target. It's kind of an OTE model, but not. I just use 20% of that into my strategy. And yeah, price actually took the buy side liquidity, but not just taking the buy side liquidity. It tapped into the supply low, which I didn't actually expect the price to come all the way up, but still it came up. Now I need the price to chalk bearish so that I can take shots, which kind of low probability because of this bearish momentum. Price will make another candle here, and then it can consolidate. But even if it makes a chalk bearish, it would be out of session because I'm just trading 3 candles, I mean 6 candles per day. So 3 in London, 3 in New York. So even if it makes chalk bearish, that would be out of session. So I won't be able to take the trade. But let's not give up the hope and let's see whether the price can make the chalk bearish. So there was a minor pullback, and if the price pushes up right here and then makes the stock bearish, so this would be the POI which I'll be looking for shorts, targeting the Asian lows, the daily target, everything. Did that happen actually? Let's see. And no, yeah, as I already told you, it just happened, but it happened out of the session. So this was the price. This is where the price actually chopped bearish. So this could be the POI which I can look for trade, but you can see the price is consolidated and the price just mitigated it only during the next day's Asian session. So that's why there was no trades today. So the setup was clean, the idea was clean. Not every time the price plays out in my favor. Sometimes it may happen that it's very clean what you expect is, you know, as per the market sentiment, but still it doesn't play out. The thing is that I need to show up every day. Sometimes when the price shows up, I need to grab that opportunity. The main point to consider here is luck in trading. Luck is required, and how I define luck is when hard work and consistency meets an opportunity. It's called a luck. It's as simple as that. So let's jump into GU and see why there is no trades on this day. Yeah, this is the daily chart, and the swing structure is bullish, internal is bearish, and again here also the price of the buy side liquidity, and we can expect the price to take out this daily target. And one more thing is that price, the supply chain is still holding. So it's very clear that the shorts would be the high probability today. This is a zoomed in version. So it's very clear that the price took the buy side liquidity and the next obvious target will be the sell side liquidity. So on shorts are HP today. It's as simple as that. So just jumping into the 4 hour, we can see that the minute pullbacks. If I zoom in, you can see the price actually took out the buy side liquidity, which was visible in the daily itself, and the price stopped bearish. So this is the POI where the next higher low can be formed, and then lower high can be formed, and then we can expect the price to take out the weak internal line. But not always the price reaches the 4 hour, I mean the high time frame POIs, but sometimes it happens. Sometimes price is satisfied with the lower time frame liquidity and the lower time frame POIs. With the buy side liquidity safe and chalk bearish, I'm expecting the price to be bearish today. But the question is whether the price continues to be bearish or makes a pullback towards the 4 hour supply before pushing down. Why I'm concerned about this 4 hour supply is that this is 4 hour chart. Suppose if 2 candles take to make this pullback, then that would be the end of the session, right? So if the price wants to make the pullback, then I can play the longs with aggressive risk management. That's the idea here. Jumping into the H1, yeah, price actually liquidated the strong internal high. It didn't close above it, so it's very clear that this low would be taken. And also, this low is the daily target, and this is the weak internal low, and also this has a low risk liquidity. So a ton of confidence is adding up for the shorts and this low to be weak. So what I'm waiting for, just take shorts and target the weak internal low. That's it. So now I just want to confirm that the today direction is bearish. So all I want is the price to make the initial manipulation and take out this buy side, any of the buy side liquidities, and then chalk bearish. This is the chalk line. If the price chalk bearish, so maybe I can expect some pullback during the New York session, New York open, and then I can look to target the daily target. So it's as simple as that. And yeah, price took the Asian high and was greedy and was targeting for more buy side liquidity. And finally, it took that buy side liquidity also, but it was too late, and it was too elongated that the chalk bearish was right here. So maybe I can get the trade or not get the trade. It's up to the price action because it's already 843. It's just 843, I know, but still long way to go and long way to make a pullback, right? So probably I won't get a trade today. That's what I was thinking about. And yeah, as I already told you, if the price was bullish today, there could be a bullish trade, which I missed actually because I expected I don't want to play the 4 hour pullback. I just want the price to trade in line with the market structure, and I just want to trade when the price hits the higher time frame POIs. In this case, I don't want I don't want to expect the price moving towards the POI. Rather, when the price is in the POI, then I can look for confirmations and then enter. Now I got confirmations. Now I can look to enter. So I will consider this as my chalk bearish because this has swept a ton of sell side liquidity. And considering the strong bearish bias and the weak internal, a weak low which can be targeted easily, I just don't want to miss this move. That's why I just mark this as my chalk bearish. But the price kept moving, and eventually, I think the price took the. Uh, Let me show it for you. This is October 28th, right? Yeah, I missed it. Let me show it here. This is the price actually took the buy side liquidity above the POI. So that's a lot of buy side liquidity sweep. And then it chalked bearish. But unfortunately, the chalk bearish was outside the session. So I was not able to take it. Yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes not everything goes as expected. So yeah, if it happens during the kill zone, that would be high probability. Then I can take it. If it doesn't happen, it's fine because I don't trade out of the session. Because the more I strain, the more I take losses. The thing is, just pass a day away, come back again. New opportunity exists. If the opportunity exists, take it. Otherwise, again, skip a day. If just rinse and repeat every day, you'll get the chance. So yeah, that's it from my side today. So see you tomorrow on day 125. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.